He listened, as he has done with COVID-19, to scientists and doctors. He listened to the economists, the Secretary of the Treasury, the Chairman of the Reserve, and went big. I know when we finish this, we will have gone big. We will be near the $1.9 trillion. Am I for the way the House bill did it, without eliminating people who had incomes but yet might have 4 and 5 and 6 children? The incomes might seem high, but they're regionally in places where their dollars don't go far. Am I for the $15 an hour? Yes. Am I for $400 and the expanded unemployment? Yes. With 10 or 9 million people now reported still unemployed, no jobs to be seen, I am. But I'm in for the fight. And the fight is that I will continue to work to ensure that these people who've been brought to their knees, the ones that I see in my district, who every moment tell me, get that American Rescue Act, get that plan. I am trying to keep my business going. I want to keep my employees. I'm going to fight for them. And I'm going to make the point that, yes, the Democratic Party is a big tent party, but it is now about America. And I don't like the compromises that seemingly are coming out of the Senate, but this is what my point is to those who are out there who are suffering. I'm not going to abandon the good for the perfect. And I'm going to, however, keep fighting for the perfect. So I think that's where we are. We have now something we've never had in terms of the last 4 years, destructive 4 years. We have a president waiting with his pen to sign this bill to get it out to the American people.
All right, so we've got a president waiting, but you did talk about people who are on their knees at this point needing this bill. $1,400, as you know, is not a lot of money. By the time we come back in September, that money is long spent, if it's not spent before the check is cashed. Can the American people expect another round of COVID funding relief to hit their bank accounts?
Well, I think one of the things they should know in this bill is the expanded child tax credit. And I've seen families come up to me and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's going to be additional funds. As you have the public assistance, public funding, that's going to keep our firefighters and keep our law enforcement funded or on the job, along with our municipal workers. That's going to help working families as well. That's going to help keep their jobs. What we will do as we go forward, we're going to go into the normal appropriations process. What does that mean? We're going to be funding government agencies from Health and Human Services, expanded Medicaid, continue to support SNAP, continue to support more dollars for small businesses. So our families are going to see more money. They're going to see it through the appropriations process, and those monies are going to come and help them keep their businesses open. We're not going to abandon them. If there is an urgent emergency, as well, no, we're coming into hurricane season. Who knows what we'll need? This is a government that is not going to turn its back on the American people. It's not going to turn its back on the constituents in the 18th Congressional District.
Well, let me ask you, I know that